We're seeing SDM being deployed in a very large number of ways into the service providers right now, and it's certainly making my life as a product manager very exciting. So I'm seeing three real groups of deployments here. First of all, where we're going in and actually replacing existing SDM solutions. And so the challenge here is, how do you take an existing, say, HLR and move that information over to a new system without the end user even knowing that anything is going on? So you've got a subscriber database which is constantly being changed because it's a live network, and you have to manage with tools and with procedures to bring that over to a new system. The second area that we're seeing is where we actually come in and augment a system, because sometimes it doesn't really make sense just to rip out and replace an existing SDM solution. We want to reuse what's good or that's already in the network and augment it with new capabilities. A good example of this is where we deploy LTE, and we can introduce a new HSS, and we can reuse the authentication and subscription information that's on the HLR, and then allow the new HSS to operate reusing that information. And that really helps the service provider, reduces the complexity of introducing a new system, and really speeds up the deployment of these new core networks. The final area that we look at is where we actually go in and shadow information. And so we leave the existing SDM solutions in place, and we introduce a solution where we actually capture information that is being generated inside the core network in real time. This allows us to build up a picture of what's going on in the network with subscriber data, and it's a real goldmine of information where we can use that for, say, domain selection, so we can route a call to the correct place depending on where the subscriber is registered. We can use it to keep track of the services that they are provisioning. For example, we can generate notifications to back office systems when certain values change in the network. So again, it's really a way of keeping what's good in the network, helping the service provider introduce these new solutions smoothly and quickly, and basically reusing the investment that they've already made in the network.